So every time you have an empty half of an oven that needs to be swept out, don't hesitate. Do it, because you never know when you're going to need that half of the oven full again. Could be 5 minutes from now. Whole bus load comes in. So you give it an initial sweep. And I see that there are some places that need a little extra. Never hurts to give a little scrape of burned on cheese, or if you have some ingredients that are burned on the floor, you can scrape it with the utility peel or the bubble hook. Then that stuff's going to brush right off. To get a really good sweep, this natural fiber long brush is great for that, because it really sweeps a big swath of the oven. You want to sweep away from the burners. You don't want to sweep debris down into those burners. If you really have time, you could go in and swab that deck again to make it extra clean. So I've got some pizzas calling for my attention. So I'm going to go in and get those. Gorgeous. Okay, now that I'm primarily using just one lane, I'm getting that flame down so I'm not overheating my oven. It doesn't make any sense to use the same flame height for 6 or 9 pizzas as you do for 3 pizzas. When you're down at 3 or 4 pies, you really need to have that flame down and work closer to it. So you're not overheating that floor, so you're ready to go when your next 4 pizzas need to land. These last 2 pizzas are done. I'm going to pull them. You can see we're still getting an excellent bake on the bottom of these pies. Thing I need to remember to do, there are no pizzas in this oven. I need to back that flame down. I'm going down past number 2 on the throttle control knob. Basically, that's when you can just see the tips of the flame coming up above the floor.